on command.
Driver, get out of the truck.
Receiver, command, 096.
No, keep coming. Gotta come out. Keep coming. Get your ass out of the truck. You gotta figure out a way. You figured out a way to drive that thing.
Confirm for we are facing westbound on 26. He's saying he has no legs, and it looks like he has no legs. Can I check this again?
Oh, we have him thrown out by the driver door.
This hand doesn't work. Hands on the wrist. Other hand.
Working on him now.
It doesn't work.
She takes that curve.